Students, today we are going to see Standard 4 Social Science from Term 3. The topic is Rights and Duties of Children. Let me see the Unit 3. Come, let's begin into the video session.
Unit 3 Rights and Duties of Children. In our Constitution, children have some rights. Let me discuss and learn in this video session clearly. Learning objectives. Define citizen of a country. List the rights of children. Describe right to survival. Explain right to development. Give details about right to protection and participation. Citizen. There are rules that all citizens of the country have to follow. Citizen is a person who is a member of a country. A citizen enjoys the rights given to him or her by the country. Constitution. Constitution means a written document. The Constitution of India sets these rules. The set of rules of a country is known as Constitution. The Constitution lays down certain rules to help the country work together smoothly. Child rights. In our Constitution, India, children have some specific rights to enjoy. Let me see clearly. All over the world, there are different policies and rights. Children have certain rights to ensure that every child is treated the same. These are practiced to create a healthy environment for the children to live in. The four major child rights are right to survival, right to development, right to protection, right to participation. Let me see these rights in a detailed manner. Right to survival. It is ensure that every child has access to minimum standards of food. This helps in healthy growth in all children. There are different rights for children below the age of 6 and between the age of 6 to 14 years. This is because both the age groups have different needs for their growth and development. WASH program. In right to survival, WASH program is also a part of it. WASH stands for water, sanitation and hygiene. It means there should be access to clean water for drinking and other needs. There are many diseases that spread through water. To avoid these, having access to safe water is very important. There are many vaccines and drops which are given to children to protect from certain diseases. Right to development. Every child has the right to go to school and develop life skills. Every children below 14 years have the right to go to school. Child labor. Children are involved in different works at different places. This is called child labor. It is illegal to force children below the age of 14 to do work. Suppose if we saw any child labor, we can call the child line number 1098 and inform. You can call at any time and it is free of cost. If you see a child labor, talk to him or her first. If they are forced to do the job, we can safeguard the children through this helpline. Right to protection. Children have the right to be protected in all circumstances. Indian government has set laws for the same. There are laws to punish people who touch children inappropriately. All you need to do is keep an eye out of our danger and be confident. No person should hit or harm children. All elders should help to create a safe environment for children to live. Right to participate. Children have the right to participate in matters related to them. This includes asking questions, giving suggestions, and making decisions in things that affect them. Do you know? Did you know the number of years it takes for a foreigner to get Indian citizenship? If a foreigner stays in India for 12 years, they can get Indian citizenship. The Indian constitution is the lengthiest constitution of the world. The original document was handwritten. Children have the right to participate in discussions and implementations of all things related to them. Thank you, children.